morning, it's Vidisha and let's have a look on today's headlines. The members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated National Youth Day throughout the country on 12th of January 2022. National level series of webinar on skill development by the national headquarters of BSG India running successfully. The Chief Minister of Tripura, Sri Biplab Kumar Deb, distributed prizes to the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides Tripura state. 81st death anniversary of founder of the Scout movement Lord Baden-Powell was observed by the members of Bharat Scouts and Guides NF Railway state. Scouts and Guides of BSG NF Railway participated in hero level Tide Turners Plastic Challenge. Surya Namaskar camp was organized by Sri Kondaji Basappa Local Association of Devangere, Karnataka State BSG. Workshop on Tide Turners Plastic Challenge organized by Eastern Region. Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides taking initiative on Atmanirbhar Bharat. Omicron coronavirus awareness campaigning done by East Central Railway and Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides. Say No to Plastic initiative taken by Odisha State. The initiative 750 million Surya Namaskar undertaken by Yoga with BSG. Now coming on to national news. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters celebrated the birthday of great monk of India Swami Vivekananda virtually as National Youth Day with theme Saksham Yuva Sashakti Yuva on 12th of January 2022. The officials, unit leaders, Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers participated in the program and highlighted the teachings of Swami Vivekananda ji. Scouts, Guides, Rovers and Rangers from all parts of the country took part in this virtual celebration and presented speeches and poems on the philosophy of Swamiji and theme of National Youth Day, Saksham Yuva Sashakti Yuva. Quiz and extempo speech on the theme Saksham Yuva Sashakti Yuva was also organized virtually. Various cultural programs were organized depicting culture and tradition of the country which inspired the youth of the country. The virtual celebration of National Youth Day was organized under the leadership of the young people of the National Youth Committee of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. A series of national level webinars with title Upskilling Our Nation's Young Workforce is being organized by the national headquarters. New Delhi on every Wednesday from 4 to 6 p.m. starting from 8 December 2021. The fifth webinar was conducted on the topic Team Building and Management by resource speaker Mr. Madhusudan A.S. WOSM consultant on 5th January 2022. To commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted a webinar on Tide Turner Plastic Challenge Hero Level on 12 January 2022 from 11 a.m. to 12:40 p.m. The webinar explained why advocacy is needed and how advocacy is about changing the rule and bringing change in your community for betterment. She also explained how India can be plastic free, pollution free, and what the impact of cleanliness in the environment can be. Glimpses of the Tide Turner Challenge were also shown during the webinar, followed by a virtual pledge wall. Shri Rajkumar Kaushik, Director Bharat Scouts and Guides, blessed the virtual gathering. Youth Felicitation Program 2021 to 2022 and Mega Blood Donation Festival was organized at Tripura. On this occasion, members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides Tripura State donated blood. Shri Biplab Kumar Deb, the Honorable Chief Minister of Tripura, distributed prizes to the members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides. The 81st death anniversary of the founder of Scout movement Lord Baden-Powell was observed on 8 January 2022. The guide wing of Alipurdwar Junction, NF Railway State Bharat Scouts and Guides paid tribute to Lord Baden-Powell by observing 2 minutes of silence prayer. A small all-faith prayer meeting was also organized by DRSC ground on the day to spread the message of peace. They also fed street animals on occasion. To commemorate 75 years of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the members of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, NF Railway Badarpur district performed a Nukkad Natak at Agartala railway station on 9 January 2022. The main purpose of the Nukkad Natak was to highlight the serious issues of the society which are being seen but avoided by the people of the country. 30 members of Badarpur District Association participated in the program. Agnes Baden-Powell Ranger Team of the Bharat Scouts and Guides, North Frontier Railway, Alipurdwar District Association participated in Hero Level Tide Turner Plastic Challenge. They painted the theme Plastic Free World on their faces and also collected plastic bags from the VNC Playground, Alipurdwar Junction on 9 January 2022 to promote plastic free environment. The Nagaland State Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated National Youth Day on 12th of January 2022 with the participants of the President's Scout and Guide Testing Camp being conducted at State Training Center, Narhema from 12th of January 2022. Singareni district of Telangana state Bharat Scouts and Guides organized program of donating free Scouts and Guides uniform to Singareni High School students on 6th January 2021. On 12 January 2022, the Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka state celebrated 159th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda as National Youth Day in the presence of State Chief Commissioner Sri PGR Sindhya, Vice President Sri Kondadi Shanmugappa inaugurated the program by lighting traditional lamp. Sri Kodaji Basappa Local Association of Devagiri District of Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka State organized Surya Namaskar camp from 2nd to 8th January 2022 in which 171 Scouts and Guides participated and completed 23,940 Surya Namaskar in 7 days. Tarunya Varta training camp was organized from 5 to 7 January 2022 in Bharat Scouts and Guides Block Association, Ambikarpur, Surguja, Chhattisgarh. Bharat Scouts and Guides Chhattisgarh and UNICEF's joint program Tarunya Varta workshop was conducted by Srimati Amrita Khalko and Jaipal Vishwakarma from 6 to 8 January 2022 in Government Girls Higher Secondary School and Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Rajpur, block of Balrampur district. In the workshop, 50 students of different schools were trained. Training on HIV/AIDS Act 2017 for healthcare staff was organized at Indira Gandhi Hospital, Korba on 8 January 2022, in which Senior Ranger Priya Rajput and Upasna Pathak from Rani Lakshmibai Open Ranger Team of Korba District of Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides got trained. Under the joint AKs of Bharat Scouts and Guides Chhattisgarh and UNICEF, Tarunya Varta training camp was organized from 6 to 8 January 2022 in Lakhnowpur block of Surguja district, Chhattisgarh. Under the joint program of UNICEF and Bharat Scouts and Guides Chhattisgarh, a 3-day workshop from 7 to 9 January 2022 was organized at Government Higher Secondary School, Premnagar, in which 50 Scouts, Guides and in charge from different schools attended the training on childhood and adolescence, child rights, child labor, child marriage, and gender balance. Scouts and Guides, NCC, NSS, and district security forces have been trained at district during the mock drill to avoid disasters during earthquake, building collapses, etc. by Team NDRF and SDRF, Madhya Pradesh on 11 January 2022. The Dvitiya Tritiya Sopan Trusting Camps were organized by Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides Local Association, Thoi District, Sikar. Before the conclusion of the camp, a COVID awareness rally was also organized by the Scouts and Guides to make people aware about people to follow the COVID guidelines on 7 January 2022. Rajasthan State Bharat Scouts and Guides District Headquarters, Sirohi organized investiture ceremony for 20 rovers of Government College Sirohi under the direction of CO Scout Narendra Korwal. The guest of the program on 11 January 2022 was the principal of the college, Dr. Kamla Bandhu. On the occasion of death anniversary of founder of Scout movement, Lord Baden-Powell, a tribute meeting was organized by Bareka district of North Eastern Railway on 8 January 2022. The members present highlighted the techniques of Lord Baden-Powell and paid their homage by garlanding the picture of Lord Baden-Powell. All-faith prayer meeting was also organized on the occasion. 62 members participated in the program. North Central Railway Bharat Scouts and Guides organized service camp at Railway Colony, Civil Line, Prayagraj from 5 to 7 January 2022, in which 50 members participated. Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted virtual Tritiya Sopan testing camp from 6 to 8 January 2022 at Bangalore region. Jamiat Youth Club Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted basic course for Scout Masters at Tevra, Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh from 30 December 2021 to 5 January 2022, in which 24 scouters from 8 districts of the Jamiat Youth Club participated. The course was conducted under the leadership of Sri Hidayatullah Siddiqui, leader trainer scout with the assistance of other invited trainers. The results of the national level virtual competitions of substitute on plastic and poster making held on 21st and 22nd December 2021 were announced.
Let's welcome the winners.
Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides Cuttack district started taking initiative on Atmanirbhar Bharat on 6 January 2022. They are preparing for mushroom cultivation by involving rovers and rangers of Cuttack district. The rovers and rangers and unit leaders of SBHS at Konisi distributed homemade paper bags in their local market and created awareness about say no to plastic on 10th January 2022 under the leadership of Srimati Monalisa Das, unit leader Odisha. Kalhandi district of Odisha State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized awareness program on corona and its Omicron virus and distributed masks, soaps, biscuits and sanitizers etc. at Dakelpara and Drambai interior tribal area on 12 January 2022. In the view of the third wave of COVID, under the guidance of District Commissioner Scout BSG Danapur East Central Railway in the second phase conducted an intensive awareness campaign program in railway colonies through mic system on 12 January 2022. The children in the age group of 15 to 18 years were encouraged to get vaccinated. On the occasion of 159th birth anniversary of Sri Swami Vivekananda, the Scout Guides, Rovers and Rangers and unit leaders celebrated National Youth Day 2022 at the grassroots level around the country. The members of Jharsuguda district Bharat Scouts and Guides of Odisha state spreading awareness on fitness and various physical activities with the slogan Fitness ka dost Aadha Ghanta Har Roz. The members of Bihar State Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated 159th birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda by garlanding the picture of Swami Vivekananda at West Champaran, Muzaffarpur. Now coming on to COVID news. The Scouts and Guides of Narayanpur district of Chhattisgarh Bharat Scouts and Guides served in centers for the first dose of COVID-19 vaccination to the students of 15 years to 18 years of age in various schools on 5 January 2022. The Scouts and Guides, Rovers and Rangers and unit leaders of Bilaspur district of Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scouts and Guides rendered their services at vaccination centers for children of 15 to 18 years of age to have vaccine in various schools of their district. Haryana State Bharat Scouts and Guides organized National Youth Day program and COVID awareness rally at Government Model Sanskriti Vidyalaya, Hodal, District Palwal, Haryana on 12 January 2022. Guides of Government Senior Secondary School, Khandora District, Rewari, Haryana State rendered their services in vaccination camp on 7 January 2022. Danapur district of Bharat Scouts and Guides, East Central Railway organized campaign on Omicron variant of coronavirus on 6 January 2022. The rovers and unit leaders distributed masks and sanitizers at Danapur railway station and office of the divisional railway manager Danapur. 16th vaccination camp was conducted at Bhojudi by the members of Azad Group Bhojudi of South Eastern Railway, Bharat Scouts and Guides, Adra District Association on 9 January 2022. 21 rovers, rangers and unit leaders of Sidha Bhairabi Higher Secondary School, Ganjam at Conisis created awareness about Omicron variant of coronavirus at different places on 10 January 2022. They distributed informative leaflets, face masks to people and shared messages about how to wear helmet properly. Under the leadership of Chairman cum Divisional Railway Manager Mr. Prabhat Kumar and District Commissioner Scouts cum Senior Divisional Personnel Officer Mr. Surjit Singh, in view of the third wave of Omicron Corona, in the first phase of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Danapur Division East Central Railway on 11 January 2022, intensive awareness campaign was conducted at Danapur Railway Station. The participation of 22 rovers and members of Railway Protection Force Danapur made the program successful. Forthcoming events. Following national level events are postponed till further notification. For more details, refer to NHU Circular Number 1/2022 dated 3/1/2022, Circular Number 3/2022 dated 4/1/2022, and Circular Number 9/2022 dated 11/1/2022. National Integration Camp to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav at Goa State, 19 to 23 January 2022, Nirmal Nature Campsite, Tilamol, Kwepem, Goa. National Level Tribal Amrit Mahotsav, Rajasthan, 13 to 17 January 2022, Leo International Institute, Banswara, Rajasthan. National Integration Camp to commemorate Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav at Karnataka, 4 to 8 February 2022, Scout Guide Kannad Bhavan, Mudbidre, DK. Webinar on Sustainable Development Goals from 9 Feb 2022 onwards. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 11/2022 dated 12/1/2022. Public dealings not being entertained physically with effect from 6 January 2022 at the office of the National Headquarters, New Delhi. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 5/2022 dated 5/5/2021. Deadline for registration to 23rd International Adventure Program is extended till 25 January 2022. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 4/2022 dated 5/1/2022. APR course for leader trainers. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 186/2021 dated 28/12/2021. The Bharat Scouts and Guides National Headquarters is organizing BSG Digital Smart Generations of Smart 2.0 regional workshop on 22nd January 2022 in Malayalam, 23rd January 2022 in Odia, 29 January 2022 in Kannada, 30 January 2022 in Bengali at 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. IST. And link is open to all. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 185/2021 dated 28/12/2021. 23rd January 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 175/2021 dated 17/12/2021. Asia Pacific Region Messengers of Peace Heroes Award 2021 nominations. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 170/2021 dated 9/12/2021. The timeline for submission of applications to 25th World Scout Jamboree, scheduled to be held at Korea in 2023, is extended up to 31st January 2022. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 166/2021 dated 6/12/2021. National Integration Camps Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Haryana. NYC Gatpuri Palwal, Haryana, 19 to 23rd February 2022. Last date to apply 31st January 2022. STC Ambala, Haryana, 24 to 28 February 2022. Last date to apply 10th February 2022. 23rd International Adventure Program at NAI Panchmadi. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 159/2021 dated 30/11/2021. Second Outstanding Scouts Guides of the Bharat Scouts and Guides Award 2021. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 156/2021 dated 23/11/2021. Asia Pacific Leadership Award 2023 for unit leaders, district or state commissioners, service to Girl Guides and Girl Scouts, Girl Guide Wing. For more details, refer to NHQ circular number 145/2021 dated 28/10/2021.